Namaste and welcome to Yoga Endless. Well, today's video is about how to do Surya Namaskar. There are different types of Surya Namaskar with various numbers of variation. We're going to do one such variation which is known as the classical Surya Namaskar. In the first round, I will try to explain you the alignment cues and breath. And from second round, we'll do one round on each side together with me. Let's get on the mat. We always start from the start of the mat on the front of the mat so that we can travel backwards as we move through the practice. Try to relax your shoulders, try to relax your chest and reach up from your head. Now imagine your head and the soles of your feet are being pulled from each of its direction, bringing that length and energy into your body. We start with Namaskar Asana. We bring your palms to the heart center. Yes, from here, when you inhale, the second step happens, Urdhva Namaskar. So you inhale and lift up the arms. As you do this, you don't have to necessarily arch the back too much. You can just lift up from your spine and imagine someone's pulling your hands up. And as you keep reaching upwards, you can shift your gaze slightly diagonally up. Everything should be at a breathing space. From here, you slowly reach down with your hands, and as you do this, you exhale, and from here you also release the neck. You don't have to keep holding the tension in your neck as you do this. So try to release the tension from your neck, and if you like, you can always bend the knees. Don't force yourself in the stretch. We reach up from the chest in the front and try to release the head down. This is your third step, and you do this with the exhalation. From here, your fourth steps come into place. Ashwashanchalanasana. You step your right leg back and drop the right knee down. It's okay if your knees are going slightly beyond the toes, and you keep the weight on your hands also, and keep reaching upwards from your chest. The fourth step is coming into a plank position or a downward dog mountain pose. So either you can stay here in plank or exhale backwards from this. Try to breathe here. Find that place that allows your heels to gradually lower down. From there, we slowly lower the knees, lower the chest and lower the forehead. You slowly slide your chest ahead, roll the shoulders back, keep the elbows bent, and keep lifting your chin without dropping entirely back. This place will help you strengthen that back of yours. This inhalation brings you up, and with the next exhalation, you go into the Parvatasana, downward facing dog. Try to keep your palms as comfortably towards the legs and try to press both of your soles of the feet and the soles of your palms to the floor. We started with the right leg, so we end also with the right leg. So you place your right leg between the palms. And if this gets difficult to place it, you drop the knee, lift that arm so you can switch and then you can place. Yes, that makes it more accessible. You lower the hips and reach out from your chest and the chin. From here, we slowly exhale with the legs together and head reaching down. Remember, you can bend your knees to do this, soften them. Shift the weight on your toes. From this place, slowly reach up from your arms. Keep going upwards and lengthen. And lengthen that ceiling. And lengthen that spine. And slowly we come back from where we started. Namaskar. And then relax. Let's do it together with the cue of breath. I'm going to focus on cueing you how to coordinate your breath through these 12 steps. And you have to try following this along with me. Exhale, join your palms, the first place. This is the first position. Inhale, take your arms all the way up. Lift your spine. And exhale slowly. Lower your hands down to the third step. Fourth step, place your left leg back, left knee down, look up. Fifth step, slowly either hold your breath in the downward dog or in the plank. Sixth step, slowly release the knees, release the chest, release the forehead. Ashtanga Namaskar. Seventh step, release your navel, lift up your chest, inhale to come up. Eighth step, curl your toes, push yourself up and go back into downward dog. Ninth step, take your left leg ahead, right knee down, look up. You inhale when you look up. 10th step, exhale to forward bend. Release the head down. 11th step, taking your arms all the way up again to the universe. 12th step, coming back to exhalation. Joining the hands at the heart and then relaxing. Let's do this one last time together. Exhale, Namaskar. Inhale, Urdhva Namaskar. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, Ashra Sanchalan, look up. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale, knee, chest, forehead. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Exhale, release the head, soften that knees. Inhale, lift those arms up. Exhale, join the hands back to the heart. Relax your hands and just start noticing how you feel at this point. What your body makes you feel. This moment is exactly the moment that you practice for. To observe, to reflect, and to feel. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I suggest you to start adding Surya Namaskar to your regular practice and see how it unfolds into your life.